In this video, I'm going to show you how to change language in Trade Republic. Now, the first thing you want to do here is actually not go into settings because this cannot be done inside the settings of your app, so of your Trade Republic app. However, you have to go to your phone's settings. So let me open up phone settings over here. And then in here, what you want to do inside settings, you want to go to the very top right and tap on where it says search settings. And then from here, you want to go ahead and type in language. So language, there we go. And then a bunch of different options will pop up. You want to go into languages and input, and you want to tap on that. And of course, this may vary depending on which device you have. If you have like iOS or Android, it may be a bit different. And over here, it should say languages, and you can go ahead and change the language from English or whatever you have to another language, and that will also change the language inside Trade Republic. Now, mind you, not all languages are supported. It says on their website that the app is currently available in the following languages: German, English, French, Spanish, Italian, Portuguese, Dutch, and Finnish. Okay, so that's basically how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.